Imagine one healthy fat that could slash inflammation, burn away your belly fat, and even lower your insulin and your stress levels and stress hormone levels, cortisol. Well, it sounds like hype, but it's actually backed by real science. As always, I leave you the sources in the description, but I want to break it down to you here. What this miracle liquid is, I will tell you in the end, and I will tell you how to take it and what benefits you can expect from that. I can tell you one thing, going into the scientific literature, it just blows my mind. Let's get into it. You maybe even have it in your kitchen right now. Let's talk about the benefits first before I tell you what we are talking about and exactly how to take it. Here's the science-backed benefits of this mystery liquid. It slashes inflammation. Your chronic inflammation especially is your silent enemy. A review of 23 clinical trials found it significantly reduced C-reactive protein, CRP, a key inflammation marker. In another study, daily use cut levels of major inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. And number two, this is one which I think is the reason why many of you guys turned into that video, or girls of course. It burns belly fat. In a 2-month trial, people taking this every day lost weight and about 3 centimeters off their waistline, just like this, burning away, just by adding this liquid to their routine. It also lowers insulin, which is basically responsible for your metabolic health. So in a 2024 meta-analysis of 33 trials, it was found that it significantly lowered fasting insulin and improved insulin sensitivity, a key marker for your longevity. In plain terms, it helps keep blood sugar in check and makes fat burning easier. It also reduces cortisol. Higher levels of stress than necessary, especially during the wrong time of the day, in the evening and so on. It reduces your sleep ability. It is a major responsible factor for belly fat and for a decreased sleep quality and metabolic health. Actually, one study found that 3 weeks of daily use of this cheap liquid, which I will reveal to you, reduced cortisol levels, while a refined version of the same oil made cortisol actually go up, because there's so many bad quality versions of that specific food out there. Lower cortisol can translate to less fat storage around the belly area, which is of course the visceral fat. This is not what we want, right? It also activates fat burning, PPAR alpha. This liquid activates this PPAR alpha, a genetic fat burning switch inside your cells, ramping up the rate at which you burn fat autonomously. This is what we want. So let's get into the crazy reveal. What is this miracle liquid we are talking about? It is so well studied. It is so heavily connected to longevity, a longer life, especially in the Mediterranean area. We are talking about extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. But hear me out. You need to know how to take it. And by the way, if you want to know how to select the high quality one, I made a full video with a guide how to get the best extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. It is popping up on top of the screen right now. So yes, good old olive oil, but the extra virgin kind, of course. Extra virgin means it's unrefined, so it retains all the goodies. Lots of heart healthy oleic acid, very important, omega-9 fatty acid, polyphenols, very important for that matter. So these benefits drop off in refined oils. Just don't get the refined oil, ladies and gentlemen. Pay more, use less, easy as that, right? You will get the benefits. If you pay less and use more, you don't only get not the benefits, you get disadvantages and more calories. Just don't do it. Get the real stuff. The video was popping up on top of the screen. So how to take it? Follow these steps, which I will give you. Number 1, choose extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. Use high quality extra virgin cold pressed olive oil and skip any light or refined versions, any from multiple areas. Like, I have a clear video with everything you need to take into consideration. This is very important. This will make or break your success. Number 2, a daily dose. Take about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Can do 1 in the morning, 9 a.m. or something with your breakfast, 1 in the noon with your lunch, or 1 at noon and 1 at dinner. It doesn't matter. Take 1 tablespoon to up to 2 tablespoons a day, better 2 than 1, and you can substitute it with other fats. Don't just put it on top and get into a calorie surplus if you don't want that. You can substitute it with these cheap seed oils, for example. That's the best thing. You are substituting something bad for something good. You can start with 1 tablespoon in the morning and do it at noon or noon and dinner, as I said already before. And then very important, use it raw. Get the oil in the cold pressed raw form, but don't like stir fry or deep fry with it and think you're doing it. No, drizzle it over your salad or over your vegetables, over your steak, over your eggs. Avoid high heat frying. This is very important. It can destroy the polyphenols. This is what it's all about. And number 4, be consistent. Make it a daily habit, right? Don't expect wonders quickly. Every single day, like these grandpas are doing in Italy, right? This is what we want. Don't expect an overnight fix, but yes, you can expect less inflammation, more fat loss, especially if you are substituting over time. It is really, really beautiful. I want to know from you, do you consume this miracle liquid extra virgin olive oil already or not? Let me know in the comments down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video about olive oil right now. And as always, guys, as always, bye.